first, you will make predictions on all the objects, on all of the objects. Will the objects reflect, refract, or absorb the light shined onto them by the flashlight? Once you have made predictions for all of the objects, test them by using the flashlight. Record what you have observed. Does it reflect, refract, or absorb the light? Then give a short description of what you saw. So, I'm going to help you out to start off with. Don't touch your box yet. In this first column, everybody eyes up here, where it says object. I'm going to tell you what to write right now. You're going to write cup in the first box. You're going to write pencil in the second box. You're going to write paper in the third box. You're going to write spoon in the fourth box. You are going to write foil in the fifth box. This is aluminum foil, but I'm not going to make you write the word aluminum.
I just put FI on it.
You've got a shiny penny. Make sure you do write the word shiny or new. And then write dull penny or old penny in the last box. Alright, so I'm going to do the first one with you and kind of show you what you're going to do. Before we get started, we all know not to shine a flashlight in our eyes or in anybody else's eyes because these are really bright ones, actually. Yeah, this one is really bright. So don't shine it in your eyes or anybody else's eyes. So what you're going to do is you're going to, yeah, this one's bright. You're going to shine it on the cup. So we'll do the cup together. Does this reflect the light, refract the light, or absorb it?
Reflect. Absorb. It's hurting my eyes.
Reflect or absorb?
Absorb.
Absorb. So you are going to write absorb in recordings. We're not doing the predictions for this one because I'm kind of showing you. But I want you to go down the list and predict what you think is going to happen with each of the objects. When you're all done with the predictions, then you can test. Got it? Jolie. Okay, I think there's the bottom drawer over there. They all do different things. So once you make your predictions, then you on all the objects, then you can test. Any questions? Okay. So like, you have to decide. Yeah. You have to decide like what you think before you test and write it all here. And then once you test it and figure out what it is, then you'll write it over here. Got it? Got it, Bryson? You got it, Lena? Okay. Y'all get it? So right now, of all the things that we have written down, you're going to make a prediction about what you think is going to happen down the middle column. Yeah. So like you'll try to make a prediction of what you think will happen with the pencil, with the paper, with the spoon. Got it? Mm-hmm. Well, you put it in both since I skipped the prediction part with that one. You got it? Okay. Have you all made your predictions?
No.
No? Wait till Annie's done and then y'all kind of work as a table to do it.
Okay.
And share the light and the materials and stuff. Did y'all get it over here? So you're going to like look and see. So do you think the paper will reflect, refract, or absorb? Okay, so then you'll write it there. And then do that same thing with all of them. It's okay. You got it, Scarlett? Okay. Yeah, y'all have to share. So whenever y'all are making, like actually testing it, just kind of work together. You got it now, Allie? So you're just going to write what you think. You don't have to write a full sentence. You can just write like what you think will happen. And then you'll eventually test it and write what you see. Yeah, the light's really bright, so don't look into it. All right, now y'all can start testing the stuff, and make sure you share, okay? You. Make sure you're sharing. Yeah, I would just pass it around. And shine it like kind of up, because that one's really bright. Yeah. I'm going to turn a light off to see what y'all think. All right, y'all can start testing. All right, Ty. So does that reflect, refract, or absorb the light?
Absorb, because it's colorful.
Yeah, and you don't see anything bouncing back, do you?
Looks like a bouncy ball.
All right, move on. All right. The last class did this in about 5 minutes or less, and I think y'all are kind of moving quicker than they are. So I'm going to give you like 4 minutes to test all these things. Did the battery die?
I don't know. It just takes it.
Last time I did it.
It came on.
Oh, wow. Wow, that.
All right, so whatever you decide, yeah, just like that.
The next one is foil. How could paper reflect?
What do y'all think about all this?
So far,
You feel good about it?
it's kind of.
What do you think? What is it?
I think it's reflect.
Reflect? Yes, it is reflect.
Hi.
It's reflect. Guys, I want to do this one. Can I do this one? Can I do this one?
How many do y'all have left to test?
Here, I want to.
4?
Yeah. It absorbs it. It takes all the light.
How many do y'all have left?
2 more. 4. No, we have 4. Oh, 4.
All right, get working through them.
That definitely reflects. That definitely reflects. It reflects. It's reflects. Well, shiny penny was reflect, and dull penny was refract.
So don't just write it whatever you decide after testing in that third column.
What was shiny penny?
Shiny penny was reflect.
Are y'all almost done? Okay. Cool. All right, when y'all finish, I'm going to go ahead and give you this and start working on this. You're going to write a sentence about 3 things you learned, 2 questions you have, and 1 sentence summary. Got it? So if you can't think of any question, just kind of think of something that maybe like is out of the box or just anything, okay? And make sure you put your name on all of it. Are y'all almost finished? Yes? No? How many do y'all have left to test? Soju?
Yeah,
2?
Yes.
Okay. I'm gonna.
Shiny pennies reflect.